Topic is a frequency in a limited array. Problem statement: a given array containing a positive integers. So, elements in an array ranges from 1 to n. So, where n is the size of the array, some of the number may be repeated or present. So, the task is to count the frequencies of all the numbers in the range 1 to n. So, return the size n such that a result represent the frequency of the number. So our input is here 2 comma, I mean 2 3 2 3 5, and output should be the occurrence. Okay, 1 how many times coming, I mean 2 how many times is repeating, 2 is repeating 2 times, 1 is not repeating, so we are putting as 0. 3 is repeating 2 times, so 2 is not repeating, I mean 4 is not repeating, 2 is again 3 is repeating 2 times, and 4 is not repeating. Now 5 is repeating 1 time. So similarly, we need to find the logic here is first we need to find the array length, then we need to find the frequency. So once you find a frequency, so array its frequency element should be equal to array element. So it should be both should be the size should be same. So next we need to find next we will find it each count in an array. So to find each element, so we go for traversing. So once we're doing traversing, we can fetch the current element from an array. So once you fetch the current element from an array, so next what we need to do, we need to, so that current element array should be decremented by 1. So we need to reduce by 1, then we need to increase the count of that particular value. So once we do increment the count, so that we are uh, using, so that will be stored in a frequency array. So each count will be stored in a frequency. That's how we can achieve the count. So in this case, we can jump into the coding. So now, so I need to get length of an array. So I need to introduce length array length. So next I need to get frequency. Like I need to store the frequency. So I introduce frequency. So that will be as a result. Both are array element length. So I need to introduce new int array. Store the length. It should be same. Size should be same as that original array element should be same as that frequency array element to store that occurrence count. Okay, next what we need to do, next we need to traverse it. So I'll introduce for loop. So int I less than or equal to, not equal to, no, like again it will take express space, less than length I plus plus. Now what I need to do now, I need to get each element. So I'll introduce another variable known as int val is equal to, so get that each element, so array of 5. So I got that array of 5 element. Now I need to, so I will reduce here on by -1. So I'll match to the array index. So my array element should be equal to array because our array index starts with 0, but our array elements will start with 1. So match that, I will reduce it by 1. Next, so result of val, I need to increment. So val plus plus. So next, what I am going to do now? So I will, because we need to, there is a list function. So I introduce a list to get a count. So list integer, it's a wrapper class. And the values is equal to new array list. So now what I need to do, use for, so int, so count, reduce it, so values, not values. mm, so yes, I mean result, count the result. Okay, count the result. Once I get count the result, so I need to get result here. So I need to count the result. I put it this inside this list function. So add, so count. So next I need to return it. So return this values. Okay. Okay. Let's compare and see. All right. All right. All for process. Look. Mhm. Okay. So as per our logic, so find the length of an array. So int length. Okay, fine. Next we need to find the frequencies of an array. So I've introduced new int array length. So next I've used for loop for fetching each element from an array and appending it. So actual element minus one. So matching with our values elements which are present inside the array. So our index will start with 0. So match that. I will introduce minus 1. So then I am appending it. So incrementing it. So next what I am doing next, our function is in list. So I have introduced list and then I used a for loop for traversing it and to get a count values. And then I'm returning the count. So as per our logic, so occurrence of 1 is 0, occurrence of 2, okay, 2 is coming 2 times, occurrence of 3 is coming 2 times, occurrence of 4 is 0, occurrence of 5 is 1. Okay, Submit and check for all the test cases. Thank you. This was about frequencies in a limited array.